Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you the ghost transition for your edit on CapCut. First, you need to prepare your clips and then just copy it. Then make one of them as overlay. Click on overlay and it will go like this. Trim the overlay video into only around 0.7 seconds like this. And then after that, add 2 keyframes on the overlay, one at the beginning and the other one at the end. And then zoom the clip in on the last keyframe like this, and go to grabs and then select the ease out one, and then go to animations, out, and select fade out and set it all the way like this. Click on a check icon and now you are done, and here is the ghost transitions. Okay guys, so that's all for me. If you guys have any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video, and also click on thanks. Bye.